Hi there, students. Determined and resolute. So, is there a difference between the two? Well, I think generally both of these adjectives are very, very close synonyms. Yeah, it means you're going to do something no matter what, and you're not going to change your mind. So if you're resolute, he is resolute to become a high-level speaker of English. He's determined to become a very good speaker of English. Okay, so this is something you're going to do come hell or high water. I'm determined to do this. He was resolute in his refusal to change the way that he did things. A person who is resolute, they know what they want and they're not going to change their mind. Yeah, if someone's determined, they have a lot of determination and they're going to do it. So, what about a difference? I think the difference is maybe in nuance. I think if you're determined, you've decided you're going to do it. And I think if you're resolute, you have decided, you have made the decision, and you have decided you are not going to change your mind. I also think if you're determined to do something, your mind is focused directly on arriving at the destination. Whereas if you're resolute in the face of obstacles, of things that are getting in your way, of people telling you, no, you can't do this. Okay, so I think determined, your mind is looking at the objective. And if you're resolute, you're looking at the problems in the way and saying you are going to overcome these problems. I think probably at the end of the day, that's the same thing. But I think determination, I want to do it. So he is determined to pass this exam, but he's resolute in his study because of his determination to pass the exam. He's resolute because the study is the revision and the studying is boring, but he's going to overcome that difficulty. Whereas you are determined to achieve an objective. So I think you're resolute not to change your mind for something you have decided to do. Okay? And if you are determined, you're going to do it. And I think if you're determined, you're not so much looking at the problems, but you're looking at the path to succeeding. Whereas if you're resolute, you're looking at ways to get around these problems. I'm not going to change my mind, because a resolution is something, well, that you've determined. It's a decision that you hope not, you don't want to change. So I think you're resolute not to give up a course of action, but you're determined to follow a course of action. And I think that's probably the difference. Let's see. If you're going to speak good English, you need to be resolute when things get difficult, when you don't understand. Yeah, and I think determination helps you to be resolute, because your determination, I want to do this, I want to do this. Your resolution, nothing will stop me. Let's see, formality, determined, 5 in formality, use anywhere. Resolute, 6.5 in formality, it's certainly a bit more formal. Let's see, as to origin, determined comes from Latin. Well, both of these come from Latin. Determinare. Yeah, terminare, to terminate. So I guess you're thinking about getting to the end, determined. Whereas resolute comes from resolvere, to solve. Yeah, to resolve a problem. Yeah. And that's the idea. So if you actually look at the origins, determined, get to the end. Resolute, you're going to resolve the problems. Yeah. No, so resolute, determined, purposeful, positive, resolved, decided, adamant. Okay. And determined, you've come to a decision. You're set on doing something. Determined, you're set on it. Yeah. Whereas if you're resolute, I think you're set on not giving up. You're bent on doing something. You're determined to do it. You're intent on doing it. You're determined to do it. Yeah. You're insistent on doing it. But you're resolute not to stop. You're not going to change your mind. Yeah. You're adamant that you're not going to change your decision. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Resolute or determined?